Good morning and welcome to Casual Chef Kitchen. I'm Chef Matthew. It's Monday. It's been a few days, but most of you probably know Robin and I were up in Reno celebrating our grandson Roman's first birthday. And I shared photographs of some of the places we ate. Yes, one of the surprising things that surprised Robin and I when we were on our way to the Manhattan Deli at the Atlantis was the line for the buffet. It went on and on and on. And at $56 a head. Yeah, the line just, we don't even know where it ended. It was that long. We didn't get in it. So, last night, I went very simple. Just grabbed a couple boxes of open pasta and basically some butter, some little bit of olive oil, salt, pepper, red pepper flakes, some Parmesan cheese. That was dinner. Simple, basic. But it was good. Tonight, I'm kind of going an opposite way. Hungarian Goulash. Yes. Let me show you what I got going on over here. Got the hardware. And yeah. Lots of prep. We've got beef. We've got potatoes. We've got bacon. Tomatoes, red bell pepper, kosher salt, black pepper, beef stock, red wine, paprika, of course, cumin, garlic, 2 onions, that's a turnip back there, some parsley for garnish, some bay leaves, an Anaheim or whatever kind of pepper, don't ask me. It looked good. Some carrots, again, potatoes. All of this has to be cut up. Should be fun, we hope. So, on this President's Day, I hope you have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking. Phenomena. Phenomena.